Advanced Excel Guide Useful Formulas, Techniques and Functions. Introduction. In today's modern world, there is a high demand for software and tools that help manage and run businesses effectively. The tools and technologies used by business analysts help to save a lot of time and resources in the business language by providing instant and effective results. The results provided by these tools and technologies provide satisfying results for businesses. There is a wide range of tools and technologies available for businesses. Out of these tools, the Microsoft Office Excel tool has proven to be exceptional. It helps users save a lot of time and resources. Moreover, Microsoft Office Excel is the most needed tool for candidates. Hey everyone, you're watching Sprintzeal channel where you'll enjoy the video and make sure to subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. The individuals using the following can solve complicated data effectively. The main problem that the individuals need to deal with is getting acquainted with all the formulas and functions of Microsoft Office Excel. The functions present in Microsoft Office Excel are exceptionally advanced for easy queries and arranging a wide assortment of information. The high-level Excel equations are then conveyed to get new data or information from a particular set of the given information. The people utilizing the accompanying can address convoluted information viably. The principal issue which people need to manage is to get to know all the equations and functions of Microsoft Office Excel. Advanced Excel Formulas List. Number 1. Vlookup. The users use the function of Vlookup to look for a particular piece of data in a large segment of data in the user's newly formed table. The users using Microsoft Office Excel have to check the function option. In the function option, the users can find the Vlookup option. The users can find the wizard box after selecting the following option. The wizard box will then open with various sets of box options. Number 2. Whole function. This function is quite prevalently used to aggregate a gathering of numbers in a specific section. The entirety function has a devoted cache for itself in the Home tab, which can be utilized to aggregate in the wake of choosing the section's piece. Number 3. Max-min function. This function is utilized for pulling the most extreme and base qualities from the chosen information set. To get the greatest worth, you need to enter max in the function tab and get the base worth, and you need to enter min. The function will consequently draw the qualities from the essential information table. Number 4. On the off chance that function. The if function is utilized for pulling data of truth and bogus concerning a boundary set in the variable box. The if articulation is composed or broken as if criteria, true, false, esteem. Number 5. SUMIF function. The SUMIF function causes you to search for a specific set of data that coordinates your rules. The measures are entered in a wizard box containing the Reach tab, Standards tab, and the whole Reach tab. The Reach tab means the region you need to glance in. The Rules tab finds the cell, and the Aggregate Reach tab includes the information which coordinates your measures. Number 6. COUNTIF function. The solitary distinction between the past function and the COUNTIF function is that the last doesn't make any sense of the cell's coordinating qualities. It just pulls and shows the set to you. Number 7. Also function. This function is utilized to set more than one rule for looking through the variables. On the off chance that the variable matches with the different standards, at that point, the worth is returned as true, or probably the hunt shows false. The wizard box has tabs where you can enter a coherent set of standards to discover the conduct of the chosen set of information. The outcome accompanies one more segment of true and false on the correct side. Number 8. Or then again function. The or function is somewhat not quite the same as the past and function. Or on the other hand, function checks for just a single measure to be true and pulls the worth through the and needs every standard to match to give a true outcome. In no basis coordinates, then the false worth comes out. Number 9. Left function. The left function causes you to pull the information in a chosen segment from the left side. You can set the variable or the degree of information you need in your new section through orders. Number 10. Right function. You can pull a piece of information from the chosen segment set from the data's correct side by setting variables in the order box. Number 11. Link function. This function is the mix of both left and right functions in Excel, where another segment of information is set up by setting the variable to pull a specific segment of the information from left and right. Number 12. Round function. This function is utilized to gather together information with many digits after the decimal point for the comfort of the count. You don't have to organize the cell. Number 13. Appropriate function. This legitimate function is utilized to underwrite or capitalize the letters of a sentence in the cells. It tends to be done in a modified manner. You can specifically change the letters in whatever design you need. Number 14. Presently function. The now function is utilized to embed a section that characterizes when the passage of information is done in that specific cells at the correct side of the now segment. You can change the now incentive to date just moreover. Number 15. Change the case. This high-level dominant equation is utilized to change the instance of the cells in total. The letters will be changed to the order you have given, like from lower to upper or the other way around, and strengthen them in proper order. Number 16. Trim progress to dominate the equation. This high-level dominant equation is utilized to manage or eliminate additional areas that show up when a set of information is duplicated from another source. Number 17. Tweaked max min. According to their requests and degrees, this high-level dominant equation causes you to extricate the modified max and min esteems from the chosen set of cells. You can choose the fifth most elevated among the huge information pool effectively by contributing appropriate cluster orders. Number 18. Pick. This high-level dominant recipe is utilized to eliminate lengthier if function proclamations and pull the specific information you need. It is utilized when there are multiple results for a specific given condition. Number 19. REPT. This code is utilized to get the same number of seasons of a character in a cell. The alternatives of adding colors conceal, italics, strong, and so forth help separate the lines and sections to discover information quickly and save a great deal of time. The shading contrast makes a client discover the individual section and column in the information pool's huge scope. 20. Time. This high-level dominant recipe is convenient when you are working on a bookkeeping page made by another person. This order encourages you to find the sort of information the cell is having. Number 21. RANDBETWEEN. This high-level dominant equation lets you produce an arbitrary number between the quantities you have set. It causes when you need to recreate a few outcomes or conduct in the accounting pages. Number 22. Unit transformation by convert. You don't need to look for help from Google constantly to discover the changed overestimation of information in various units. The convert, progressed dominant recipe will wrap up. The adaptable function can likewise be utilized to change over monetary standards and numerous different things. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please do subscribe to our channel for such more videos and do not forget to press the bell icon.